Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing a mini review on my Coach mini Rowan and also a what fits in the bag. So let me just give you guys a view of the bag. So again, this is the Coach mini Rowan. I got it from the Coach outlet. I think it came like 2 days ago. It's super cute. And I did not even know about this bag until I saw like a video on TikTok, and then I like try to look for more videos on TikTok, and I went on the Coach website and I saw that it was available. On the little latch right here, you guys probably won't be able to see it, but it says Coach, and it also say it on the little key as well. It says it on this one too. It might not pick up, but it says it right here as well. And it also say it in the little, I don't know whatever these are, on all four of them. It also says Coach. But yeah, so this is the Coach mini Rowan. I'll have the name and the title. I think it's Signature Mini Rowan. I think that's the name of it. And I just thought this was so cute. From all the ones I saw, this is the one that grabbed my attention, and the video I saw on TikTok was on this one. There was like other ones too, but this is the one I liked. And I also like, they had like a baby pink, a blush pink with silver hardware. Oh, so pretty. But I don't see it on the Coach outlet. If they had it, I would have got it as well, because I think this is so cute. And I do love my mini bags. I love all size bags, but yeah, I do have a good amount of mini bags, and this fit right in the collection. This size kind of reminds me of my, you know what, I'm gonna bring them so we can see. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so this is bigger. Okay, so I was gonna say it reminds, well, same shape, but this is, I don't know the name of it. It's a, I believe it's a vintage Fendi bag. I got it from the Real last year. Yeah, so the Fendi one is bigger, and I thought this was small. So yeah, like that's definitely bigger. And it also reminds me of my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so these are more of the same size. So the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy and the Coach mini Rowan. I know they remade the Nano Speedy without the where you're able to take the straps off. This is the one where you weren't able to take the strap off, which I don't mind. So I don't know if the newer version, if it's the same size, but if you have the one where the straps are attached, the mini Rowan and that Speedy, like the, it's not, okay. Hold on. Okay, the mini Rowan and that Nano Speedy are like the same size. But yeah, so that's good to know. And the Fendi, I really thought that was like, I thought the Fendi was the same size as my Nano Speedy. So okay, that tells me a lot. Okay, yeah, and then the Fendi is bigger than both of them. Okay, so I just wanted to see if they're all like the same size. Okay, so again, this is the mini Rowan. I think she is so pretty. I love the fact that even though it has the C signature, it's not, I'm not really a big fan of like the canvas version of them. I also have, if you had watched all the bags I worn last year, I showed some Coach bags that I have. I do have another Coach bag that like it also has the C's, but the C's are like this. It's like the same fabric. I prefer something like this. And let me see, do I have another one? I think I have another one that's like where you could see the C's, but I prefer the ones that's like this. So I didn't take any of the paper off. I just did a little quick YouTube short unwrapping it. Oh my goodness. How did they get this in here? Okay, so okay, so this is all of the wrappings that was in there. And listen, I'm gonna keep all of this just like this for when I'm not using the bag, so I could just stuff it right back in because I wanted to keep its shape. So this is how the inside look like. It has 2 card slip, which is good. I don't know if I'm gonna put my card in there. Okay, so it says comparable value 378 USD, 460 CAD. But of course, I did not pay that at the Coach outlet. It was 150, I believe, plus tax. And then this is a little, it has a little sensor thing. And then this is a Coach wear it, love it, pass it on. Okay, so this is just little info about the bag, I guess. So I'm just gonna put them right back where they were. Most likely we'll never really remove them. Okay, so again, and I like the fact that the inside is like a brownish color, and it has the Coach tag on this. Let me see, where is it made, if I could see, because it's pretty small. Okay, it says made in Cambodia. Yeah, so it's like right, I won't be able to see, I don't want to stretch it, but it's like on this side on and it tells you where it's made, and it has the Coach logo in it. It's super cute. So I do have some items here. I don't know, oh, and this is the strap. This is the strap. I am gonna wear it with the strap because of where I'm going. I don't really want to be holding it handheld, but I'm gonna wear this today. Today's Saturday. I'm gonna wear it today. God willing, I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, and then, you know, we're gonna live in it for a while just to see how I feel about it overall. I mean, I love it, but just, you know, wearing it out and stuff like that. And this is the strap. It's a very nice long strap, and it is adjustable as well, and they have it on the last hole, and it also has Coach. You guys probably can't see that, but it has Coach on both sides, and the little clip thing has Coach here, and it has Coach inside of that as well. And the only thing I wish they had was that, like, when it comes to, they have it, never mind, do they? Yeah, okay, they have it, never mind. Because I was gonna say, when it comes to strap like this, I like when they have the extra little thing to hold it. If not, this strap over time is gonna be all weird looking. But it was like on the side here, because with my bags, I always keep them at the end, because I don't like when, you know, my hand or anything like that is passing through the strap, and then it start having that weird bend, and then you can't really like fix it. So again, this is the strap. It's a very long strap, so I cannot wait to use it to wear the bag crossbody. Okay, so I have 2 pouches. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit these pouches in here. Okay, so I took everything that was in here. This is basically my feminine hygiene, all necessities type of pouch. So I just took everything that was in here, and I'm gonna just put just the necessities for tonight. So first thing I'm gonna put in here is by Honey Pot. It's one of the wipes. And then I'm gonna put this Referral sanitizing wipe for my hand, Plackers mint flavor toothpick, Crest Scope breath spray. This is by Carmex. This is the little mini lip balms. I love these, and I love Carmex lip balms in general. I think they're really, really good. And this is in fresh cherry. I have Lawless. This is juicy watermelon. It's a lip plumper lip balm. I have it on right now, and I also have Fenty Skin. I also have this on too, on top of it. So this, I think they came out with this last year for the like holiday season, and it's in warm cinnamon. It was like a duo. It was this as well as the warm cinnamon body butter thing that they have, and it smells so freaking good. The only thing with this is that when you like turn it, like whatever amount you get, you can't put the rest back in, so you got to make sure you actually get the right amount out. If not, you're just wasting product. And I don't only wear it like at night, I wear it all throughout the day. It's really nice, thick, I really like it. And then I'm gonna also put this by Toka. The scent is Florence. Actually, I've been coming closer when I was showing you guys. No, the scent is Simone, not Florence. I have the Florence perfume. But yeah, so this is a hand cream. And then this is Altoids but I have Advils, vitamins and whatnot in it, just in case I get a headache, because sometimes I just get them out of nowhere. So just in case, I always keep them on me just in case. And then I have Welch's fruit snacks. I love Welch's fruit snacks. I love them. Okay, so we have that in here as well. And I also have this screensaver moisturizing cleaning tissue. So it's for your glasses, phone, camera, laptop, and my phone is currently super dirty, so I took the case off of it so I could clean it. So I'm gonna keep this out actually, and then I think I'm gonna just throw these in here. So I'm gonna just see fit. Well, it is gonna fit. I just have to, this is how I have to put it this way. And when it comes to my bags, every time I'm carrying them, I always have like a little mini bag inside of them, because I just, listen, I cannot, when like, you know, I mean, to each his own, but I do not like my bag to have like pen mark, lip gloss, all of these things like dirty in the inside of my bag. So yeah, so it's right here, and that's fine, even though it's not like perfect. If I need to get anything out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just unzip it actually, so it could just be like this. As I need to get things out of it, I could just grab it out and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna just throw my Hello Kitty impression mirror in here. I'm throwing it on the outside right here. And then I have two fragrance by Bath and Body Works, Perfect and Pink and Champagne Toast. These are not even what I'm wearing tonight. I actually have Versace on, the pink ones, both of the pink ones, Absolute and the original. But like, I'm like, whatever, like if I need to touch up, it doesn't really matter. I'll just touch up with these. So I just throw them in the outside as well, and that's it. Like, I'm not putting anything else. I don't carry my phone in my bag. My phone is always in my hand or in my pocket, and then my keys as well. My keys are always in my hand. Now when it comes to my card holder, I'm gonna just because I can't put my card holder in here. I can put it in here, but what I think I'm gonna do, because again, it does have two, you guys probably can't see, but it has two card space right here. I'm just gonna carry my ID and then the card that I'm gonna use tonight, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, that's it. And this little pom-pom, I got this from Claire's, no, not Claire's, Joann's. I got it from Joann's earlier this month. Yeah, and then the thing is, the employee there, because I bought a couple of them, the employee there, she bought me one. She was like, you know what, I'm gonna start the new year doing a good deed, and she bought me one. She bought me a brownish one, and I thought that was so nice of her. But yeah, so I just have this little pom-pom on it, and I think it's so cute. So yes, you guys, so thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching another video. You know, I definitely appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye.